Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper in this additional of Friday, May the 29th, 2020. So let's get started with this tectonic, and the first question is, can we see a single box? Yes, box. So this should be a 1. Can we see a dual box? Second question. Yeah, we see here a dual box. And one number is filled with a 2, so this should be a 1. Do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple box. Yeah, here, triple box. The triple box, the 3 is already filled in, so these two boxes should be the 1 or the 2, or 1 or the 2. Yes. Alright. I see here 4 missing numbers. The 2 is already filled in. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. It's around the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, alright. We have a 4 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be one of those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. That means the 3 and the 4, these 2 boxes cannot be, oh wait, if this is a 3, this could be a 3, yes. Oh no, I need to wait. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Wait, we have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 4, and this should be a 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes there. 1 box left for the 1. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. The same with these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. That means I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. That means we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Yes. we have a 2 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. This box cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there. This cannot be a 1. The 1 goes here or there. We have a 3 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box should be a 2. It cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So it's a 2. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So the only box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2 should be one of these 2. Alright. We have a 2 here now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 4. This should be a 2. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left for the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The same with the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes here. And the 5 and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 5 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes should be the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 5 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. The other 2 boxes are the 3 and the 4. And I cannot place the 4 here because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be the 3 here and this should be the 4. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 2. Then this box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 1 box left for the 4. Then we have a 3 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes here or there. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1. That means one of those 2 boxes could be a 1. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box should be 3 or 4. this box cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 here, so only 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. This box should be a 4. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. It should be a 4. It cannot be a 5. Yeah, this should be a 4. 3, 4. 1, 2. I need more numbers here. 4, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see. Suppose this number is a 1. That means these 3 numbers cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. If I place the 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1. That means we have a 5 here. This cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes could be the 5. Yeah, we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. This box can also not be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in those 2 boxes. And here also cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. Yes. That means this box cannot be a 1. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box should be a 2. The 3 cannot be here. The 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. That means the 2. We have a 2 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. We have 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. We have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 4, and this should be a 3. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. This box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So this should be a 3. So now we have 5 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Almost finished. This box. Oh, this box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. I'm very pleased for this Tectonic in 40 minutes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you want or if you like, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Well, thank you again. for watching this edition, the additional of today's newspaper of Friday,